The SA1000 swivel trim is suitable for tractor loaders. It's a quick and easy system allowing you to perform neat hedge trimming. This system is connected to the tractor's hydraulics, so you'll need a tractor with a suitable hydraulic flow for it to operate properly. 80 horsepower and upwards is recommended. The best way to do this is to bring 2 hydraulic hoses from the rear of the tractor and connect them to the hedge cutter. The extra auxiliary on the loader can be connected to the hydraulic ram. This allows you to move the hedge cutter from horizontal to vertical. This product has a spring breakaway which protects the cutting head. It's very easy to use because you are cutting straight ahead of you and the steering wheel is very responsive to your cut. By removing one pin, you can easily swivel the head to the opposite side. This allows you to cut down behind fences, and it also allows you to cut into corners. This operation is very difficult with other hedge cutters.